Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a watch list, Thinkorswim. A watch list helps you organize the symbols you care about, stocks, ETFs, or futures, so you can see prices and changes at a glance. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a custom list that updates in real time and keeps your research in one convenient place. Start by opening the Thinkorswim app and letting the main workspace load. Once you're in, we'll focus on the left side of the screen, where the watchlist widget lives. This panel is designed to keep important tools within reach. If you don't immediately see the watch list on the left, the sidebar might be collapsed. Expand it so the gadget area is visible. With the left panel in view, look for the watchlist widget and click on Select Watchlist in its header. This opens a menu that shows your available lists, including any public or previously saved personal watch lists. It's the starting point for switching between lists and for creating a new one. From this menu, choose Create Watchlist. This opens a window dedicated to building your new list from scratch. You'll see fields to name the list and to add the symbols you want to track. Begin by entering a clear, descriptive name. Pick something short and memorable that reflects the theme of the list, perhaps by sector, strategy, or time frame. A good name makes it easier to recognize later, especially if you maintain multiple lists. Next, add your symbols. Click into the Symbols area and type each ticker you want to track. For example, well-known tickers like AAPL or MSFT. As you type, Thinkorswim will suggest matches so you can quickly confirm the correct instrument. Continue adding symbols until your list reflects what you want to monitor. You can include as many as you need, and it's fine to mix different asset types if that suits your workflow. Take a moment to review your entries for accuracy. A quick double check here saves confusion later. When you're satisfied with the name and symbols, click Save. Your new watch list now appears in the Watchlist widget on the left. If you're not seeing it immediately, open the Select Watchlist menu again and choose the one you just created to display it. From here, you can keep an eye on price action, percentage changes, and related data in one place without hunting through separate charts or searches. That's all it takes to create a personalized watch list in Thinkorswim. Thanks for following along, and enjoy streamlining your market tracking with a watch list tailored to your needs.